राम राम सभी को। जय श्री कृष्ण। ओम नमः शिवाय।
In this video, we will learn how to practice Makara Mudra. First, we need to sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana position. Now we will connect our both hands in different manner to make Makara Mudra. Now bring your both hands in front of you. Bring your left hand's thumb from between your right hands, little and ring finger. Now, place your left thumb tip on right hand's palm on lifeline. Now connect your right hand's thumb and ring finger together, keeping your left hand's finger straight and attached to right hand's back of palm. Things to notice while doing Makara Mudra to avoid mistake. Bring your left hand's thumb from between your right hand's little and ring finger. Now place your left thumb tip on right hand's palm on lifeline. Now connect your right hand's thumb and ring finger together, keeping your left hand's finger straight and attached to right hand's back of palm. You can use your right hands as your preference. Now place your hands in front of your laps or Muladhara chakra. Now you are ready to do meditation in Makara Mudra. Now let's talk about the benefits of doing Makara Mudra. This mudra helps to increase energy levels or boost energy levels, helps to clear toxins in the body, help to improve kidney and its function. It helps to reduce the dark circles, helps to activate Muladhara chakra and promotes balance and stability. Now you have learned Makara Mudra.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.